Okay, guys, we're sorry the camera stopped, but at that moment, Luke decided to give up, and it was cards.
It was emoji cards,
So the person who won is Ava.
Me.
So she gets the whole money. It's so unfair. So Ava's gonna take a bite.
Yeah, I want to save it because I don't want to eat all of it right now.
Eat the bunny. I want some. Can I just have a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And you can too.
Oh my gosh.
Last ones, like since we were gonna do our last round,
These were my 2 last ones. These were good. I was gonna do this for Ava and this for Johanna because I had these 2 crayons because I liked the color and stuff, and then these glasses.
yeah, you should lose crayons
Okay.
to me.
So Luke and Johanna.
Wait, hold on. I'll be right back for a second. I just need to see something.
Oh no, Johanna, let me have it. Let me have
Okay. Okay. So
You
Ava's
both-
going to eat the bunny.
it.
I want some. I want a piece.
Yeah, I really want.
Yeah, you guys can.
Yeah. Isn't she the best
Show.
sister? No,
Just
she's not.
show.
Okay. Eat a bite. It's kind of. You get the biggest bite. What's in there? Is there anything in there? Inside it? That's hard. Oh god.
I'm gonna show it to
I'm just gonna. It fell out. It fell in here.
This is bad because then our dog might eat it.
It's hollow.
Okay.
Chocolate. Dun dun dun.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Who's done chewing? Okay, guys. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to join the Hosstellers crew, don't forget, comment down below. I joined the
First,
Hosstellers crew.
like I said in the beginning, first have to subscribe and then comment down below that you're in the Hosstellers crew now. So, bye guys, see you in the next video.
Peace out. Woo!